Welcome to the Day 79 quiz of the Bible Suite's Bible Eating Guide. Today you should have read Deuteronomy 28 to 29, which covers detailed blessings for obedience, severe curses for disobedience, and Moses renewing the covenant with the people. There's 5 questions in today's quiz, and you'll have 15 seconds to answer each one. If this is your first time here, you can follow along with us and grab my Bible Eating Guide right here, or you can check the description. And don't forget to let me know how you guys do in the comments. I actually do want to know. All right, let's get started.
Haven't you had enough? Haven't you had enough? Haven't you had enough?
Okay guys, that was Deuteronomy 28 to 29, and don't forget to let me know how you did in the comments because I do want to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.